Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Spocket on Shopify. Let's get started. So if you want to know how it's done, you just need to head over and follow me. So let's head over in here to the search bar right here and then search in here for Spocket. Now under this Spocket right here, you should be able to see this Spocket US and EU dropshipping. So just click on this search result and this will redirect you to the next page, which is the Shopify App Store. So just click on this install right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will direct you to another tab wherein it will ask you access in order to install this properly on your Shopify store. So from in here, just click on the install button. And then in here, this will load again in order to fully integrate it on your Shopify. So as you can see, it will load and you will be registered as a user through here. And in here, you can see your Spocket. And in here, it will ask you what category do you want to sell in. So for example, I want to sell in some women's clothing. So I'll just need to check on that. Then scroll down until click on continue. And you can actually use the US or EU suppliers or AliExpress or white label. So just choose which one is for you. So for me, I'll just choose this US and EU suppliers. Click on continue. And in here, I'll choose global because I'll have a lot of options through this. So click on continue in here again. And then in here, this will load. And after this done loading, you should be able to see this pricing plan that they offer. So they have here also a free trial that they have right here. So just choose which one is applicable to you. Now in here, you can actually see some free trials, right? So what you can do is you can head over and then try this one for free. So they have 14-day free trial. So just choose which one is for you. So you have here a simple and some things that you can choose from. Like for example, they have here what you get on this specific plans. So let me just click on this try for free. And then from in here, you should be able to try to put in here your payment confirmation, which is your credit card or debit card, as well as your PayPal. Once you have put in here all of your information, you can claim your free trial now. You just need to pay in $1.99 in order to do this. After the 14-day free trial, you will be charged for the full amount. So once you have actually paid for this, you should be able to use Spocket. You just need to add some products on your list and they will be integrated to your Shopify right here. And you should be able to see it on your products right here. Now, when a customer orders it from Shopify, they should be able to be redirected to Spocket. You don't need to do anything more. You just need to earn commissions for any product margin you have. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.